cannot recommend you guys try anything as ridiculous as what you are seeing me do right here, but this is useful to me for the demonstration, but you guys should never do this ever. So what we're gonna have today is, and now I've made this all dirty, so I've got to sort of remove some of that fingerprinting. There we go, there we go. So now this camera is working and is now stable and will not move, and I will get it into the position I want. Roughly this angle here should do. And now we're gonna have a drone with a camera angle that is similar to what the Mini 3 is capable of in a bunch of other drones. So sadly the camera is broken-ish, but at least
Likey